Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can hide your toolbar / inventory over in Minecraft. So if you want to just remove this entire inventory right here and you want to remove that hand, then here's how you can do this, and there's also how you can obviously get it back. So in order to do this, literally all you need to do is over on a Windows computer, just hold down F1 for just a second, just like this, and your entire toolbar will be gone. So it's F1 and then your entire inventory or toolbar will be gone. However, if you're using a Mac, what you need to do is you need to hold down Fn and then F1. And if you're on a Windows which you're using a small keyboard where you don't have F1, then what you might need to do is Command 1 or Options 1. And if you're just having some random settings enabled, just try Command F1 or Options F1 or Control F1 or Fn F1 or Shift F1 or Caps Lock F1, and then it should definitely be gone. But it has always something to do with F1, and it's just basically how your computer is set up. But yeah, that's basically how you can hide or unhide your toolbar / inventory in Minecraft. If you have learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.